Now, one of the things that we're doing now is to add a few little things to make it even nicer, including seating and something David's really excited about, a covered area for his grill. Our built-in seating is going on the driveway side of the deck in the outer corner, and it starts with a simple 2x4 frame attached to the post. To that, we've added angle braces going down to the deck surface to support the bench, and angled braces going up to the handrail to support the backrest. The back and the seat surface are being covered with the same 5/4 material we've used on the rest of the deck for consistency. It's also a good choice because the rounded edges mean less chance of splinters. For the roof of David's grilling area, we're creating a decorative cut on the end of the rafters because they'll end up being exposed. Now, these will span from the house out to a beam which is attached to the posts that support the deck. This simple design works perfectly for the metal roof we're installing here. As soon as the roof was completed, our carpenter started on the custom grilling station built entirely out of treated wood, and plenty of storage down below to tuck things away. And to finish this off, we'll be installing granite countertops and then putting in place the new grill that was delivered out on the job just a few days ago. Now, it's important anytime you have a grill, whether it's gas or charcoal, to make sure it has some type of shield to prevent any fire hazard. This one has the shield built in, so as soon as the countertops are in, that can go right in place. Now, the seating that we built earlier in this corner just works perfect the way it just blends right into the handrails, and it's just enough seating for a deck this size because they'll probably want a little patio table with an umbrella over on this end of the deck.